Hey there guys, today we're going to be building this tyre chain bridge, this one right here. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. For this tyre chain bridge that we're building here, we're starting off with the base that we're going to be building, and that's just connecting two tyres together vertically. We're going to have 3 sets of those ones. They just need 2 connection points, so 2 bolts at each connection point, so 4 bolts for each tyre. So we've just completed the first layer of tyres that are going on top for this bridge. So you've got your sets that are sitting in the ground holding it all together, then some more layers on top, and then you can build from that as you like. We're just following what we've got on the Playground Ideas design library, but you can have fun with this, change things around, make it as high, as long, as short, as wide as you like. Use a tiny little pencil and mark from the hole that you've already drilled into the next tyre, which will be sitting on top. Then we can take that tyre off. Try labelling all of the steps on this bridge that we're making here. It'll make it much easier if you have to take those things off and then on again. If you've already drilled holes, you know that those ones are going to line up where they're supposed to. So always try and label everything as you're going along. We've decided to bolt together 3 pairs of tyres horizontally. Make sure you get a really good primer coat on these tyres before you put any paint on. You can do that before you bolt them together, which is sometimes much easier, and you can have a lot of fun with this one. We've actually made this one red, so it's part of a tail, part of a larger piece that we're building, and it's a connecting piece. So do what you like with this one. With all of these pieces, you want to make sure that you download these free instructional plans on how to build these pieces. Step by step, materials needed, everything you could possibly ask for in this handy little printout. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.